Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Zairin Adrina.
Hi, my name is Ni Alia Hanina binti Ni Hussein.
My name is Anur Achara.
My name is Nur Husna Aisha binti Yusri.
My name is Shakilah binti Muhammad Yasin. Today, my group and I are going to present about viruses and bacteria. Do you know there are some differences between viruses and bacteria? Well, bacteria are single-celled living organisms, whereas viruses are not considered as living because they require a host in order to produce energy and for reproduction. Although some bacteria can cause disease, there are some beneficial bacteria for our good health and overall health of the earth ecosystem. Inside our bodies, we have tens of trillions of bacteria making up our gut microbiome, usually harmlessly on our skin. Viruses consist of a piece of genetic material such as DNA or RNA surrounded by a protein shell called capsid. Most viruses can cause disease, and they are usually quite specific about the area of the body that they attack, such as the liver. Common viruses include herpes, HIV, and rabies virus. The new coronavirus that caused COVID-19 is also a virus.
Today, I would like to tell about the differences and the similarities between bacteria and virus. First, bacteria. Bacteria is a living organism, meanwhile, virus is non-living particle. Next, the size of bacteria is much more bigger compared to virus, which is bacteria has about 0.1 to 1 micrometer and virus is about 20 to 40 nanometer. Next, bacteria has a rigid cell wall and virus have a protein coat. And virus does not have any DNA to reproduce, therefore they need a host cell to reproduce. Compared to the bacteria, bacteria has a lot of DNA to allow them to reproduce. Next, we move on to the similarities. Similarities is both of them have no nucleus and both of them can cause disease such as virus, Ebola, and also bacteria, food poisoning, which is Salmonella bacteria.
So today, I'm going to explain about the life cycle of virus in humans' body. Firstly, virus spread between people mainly through droplets that fly out when one coughs or sneezes. The virus then lands on the face or hand, and from there, it will penetrate into humans' body. Next, in order to relate virus with COVID-19, COVID-19 is also one type of the virus. So the life cycle on how they penetrate into humans' body are the same. Firstly, lytic animal virus follows 6 infection stages to bacteriophage. The first stage is attachment. In this stage, the virus becomes attached to a target cell, epithelial cell. Then the second stage is penetration, where the cell engulfs the virus by endocytosis. At the third step, which is uncoating, the viral content are released. Next, the fourth stage is biosynthesis. In this stage, the viral RNA enters the nucleus, where it replicates by the viral RNA polymerase. At the fifth stage, which is assembly, new phage particles are assembled. Last stage, new viral particles are made and released into the extracellular fluid. The cell that is not killed in the process continue to make new virus. So that's the 6th stage on how the virus cycle penetrate in humans' body.
Coronavirus is one type of virus that can typically affect the respiratory system of mammals, birds, including human. Coronavirus can spread from person to person to contact and droplets. On 11th March, COVID-19 has been labeled as pandemic by the World Health Organization.
And today I'm going to compare between normal virus and also coronavirus. So I'm going to compare between normal virus and coronavirus in terms of its shapes and characteristics. So the first one is shape. So normal virus consists of 4 types of shape, which is the first one is helical, which is known as rod shape. Second one is polyhedral, which is many-sided shapes. And the third one is complex combination, which consists of polyhedral and also helical. And the last one, most enveloped virus have spherical shape. Wow, coronavirus appear in spherical shape with a crown or corona of club-shaped spikes that projected on their surface. So let's move on to the characteristics. The normal virus contains of nucleic acid, which is DNA or RNA that could be double strand or single strand, while coronavirus contain of single strands of positive sense of RNA. For normal virus, it contains of capsid or protein coat. and some viruses are enclosed by an envelope. While coronavirus consists of four main structural protein, which is spike, membrane, envelope, and nucleocapsid proteins.
Common symptom of COVID-19 is common cold, respiratory illness, muscle or joint pain, and nausea or vomiting. The virus can spread from an infected person's mouth or nose in small liquid particles when they cough, sneeze, sing, or breathe heavily. These liquid particles are different in sizes, ranging from the larger respiratory droplets and smaller aerosols. Other people can catch COVID-19 when the virus is into their mouth, nose, or eyes, which is more likely to happen when they are direct contact or close in contact with the infected person. As antibiotic only works on bacterial infection, the cure or vaccine for this disease is not yet to be found. The best way to prevent yourself from getting infected to COVID-19 is to stay at home and follow the SOPs. That is all about virus and bacteria from us. Thank you.